Do you have any favorite Yiddish writers?
Well, the ones that I studied in most depth were the poet Rokhl Korn, who I love. She writes a lot about sort of nature and sexual awakening, I guess, and it's really, really beautiful. And then later she writes a lot about the Holocaust and losing her whole family, which is, very heavy, but I love her earlier stuff. I know which one I would read, though, if I had it with me.
What's it called?
It's called a Briv, a letter. And it talks about how she's writing a letter to her beloved about what a beautiful day it is and how she wants to take it, and it's like a fruit. She wants to pluck it and put it in the envelope and send it to him, but he wouldn't understand. He'd say the envelope was empty. And it's, I don't know, beautiful. Good poem.